Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing, but I have a special guest today, my husband Chris.
Hello.
And every time I get my Boxycharm, we always play a game and I try to see if he can guess the prices of them. So we're going to play that game while we talk about the products. I'm going to insert me using the products so you guys can see how they look. So let's go ahead and get started.
I'm excited.
You're
It's gonna be fun.
Okay,
I'm
you
gonna
ready?
get them all right. Yes.
Okay, so this is this month's Boxycharm. So we're gonna open it up. I can't let you see because
All right, go ahead.
you have to see. And this is what it comes with. And as you know, it always comes with the card. And this month's theme is called Afterglow. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So our first item is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. How much?
$28.
What makes you think it's $28?
I feel like I've seen that in Ulta before, and I don't know. Is it on $28?
It's $24.
Oh yeah. Look at
Plus.
that. Boom.
Okay, the next item is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. You can hold it.
No thanks. $16.
What makes you think this is $16?
I don't know, man. I've never heard of Vulgar, so
Wait, Pretty Vulgar. You have
Yeah.
heard of it. I have a blush.
that doesn't mean I've heard of it. You have a lot of makeup.
Okay. Well, you were absolutely wrong because this is $32. And this is in Sephora.
Literally double what I thought it was worth.
Okay. The next one is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer.
Play on words, I get it.
Yeah. Do you want to hold it?
Yes. Who makes this? Touch and Soul.
Touch and Soul makes that.
Soul means sun in Spanish, so $19. Odd number.
Okay. This product is $18. You were close.
I was, yeah.
Super close.
Jinx, you can't talk for the rest of your video. It's gonna be weird because I'm gonna be hosting now, and so I'll say your name. Anna. Okay, you can go now.
Thanks. Alright, so I've got two of these. And it's the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. And we got two of them. And in each of these little packets, you get two masks.
Okay, so 4 in total.
4 in total, yes.
All right, so are we doing like what does one of these cost? Is that what we're doing, or how's it priced on your thingy?
I guess it's for two of them.
Okay, so I'll just
Because
guess.
it says Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks times 2.
$22.
For both of them?
Yes, all together.
24.
Mm.
And last but not least, the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydro Pump Liquid Lipstick. And what shade is this? Razzleberry. And I'll open it so you can see.
Okay.
Hold the product. I'm not cheating on you. I've been looking at my sheet.
If I was cheating, I'd get them right.
Yeah, but you're getting close.
Just look at what a cheater would do. I don't know. So I'm not crazy about this.
You're not crazy about that? Why are you not crazy about that?
$10.
Why are you not crazy about that?
$10.
This is $25.
God almighty.
It's because it's a lip plumper.
Ah. Like that Jenner girl. She did that, right? People were making the lips bigger.
Yeah.
That was a challenge. See? I'm hip to it.
Yeah, you are. Look at you go.
Alright, cool. Anything else?
Nope, that's all we got in this month's box. I'll go ahead and give you guys my thoughts. First thing that we talked about was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. I'm actually wearing it today, and up in this video right here, you can see me putting it on. I love the way it makes my lashes look. Makes my lashes look volumizing, and I just love it. I love the volume with this. So I've had this before, so I'm very excited to get it in this month's box. The next thing is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. I'll post the video right here so you can see. It is pretty nice. I'm not mad at it, but I was a little worried it was going to be a little too dark for me, but once blended out, it actually turned out to be very pretty. As you can see, it kind of has that lit from within glow. It's definitely not one of those super bright highlighters. And then I'll also have the video right here for this one. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I love the way it went on my skin. It made my skin feel very smooth. And I think my foundation, because when I did use this, I used the Morphe Fluidity Foundation. It worked pretty well with it. So I actually like this. I'm going to continue to use it and see how... My first impression is that I like it, but I'm going to continue using it and see if I actually do like it. The next one is the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks. They were okay. There was a lot of serum in it, and when I took my mask off after the required 10 minutes, I felt like my face was a little red right in here and right in here, so I did get a little bit irritated from it. So I'm not sure from what made my skin a little bit irritated, but I might try it again. Maybe it was just a weird one-time thing. And if not, I've got these other two that I can give to somebody who might enjoy using them. And then the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydro Pump Liquid Lipstick in Razzleberry. It is a matte lipstick. I did not like at all. It was just so patchy. Putting it on my lips, and you'll see in this video right here, that first wipe, holy crap. It is super thick. It's not very liquidy at all. It's kind of chunky a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. And just putting it on my lips, I didn't feel like it made my lips plumper or anything like that. It was just very patchy, and I couldn't, even spreading it out and putting layer after layer, I couldn't get it to look good. So this is not one that I definitely recommend, and I'll see if somebody else wants to use it, but probably not, so it'll probably just be sitting in my stash for a long time until it expires, and then I throw it away. But, alright guys, that's all we have for today for this month's Boxycharm. And I don't know if I said it earlier, but Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21, $22, depending if you have to pay taxes. And it comes with...
Who wouldn't have to pay taxes?
I don't think all states have to pay taxes. Everyone's different. Subscription boxes. Like, I used to not have to pay taxes, but now I do.
Continue.
Okay. Well, so it's $21, $22 depending on that. It comes with about 5 full-size products. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you want to see Chris on my channel again. They do.
No one wants to see Chris on your channel again.
They want to see you guys want to see him again. Give him a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. You want to say bye?
Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
Hey.
Alright, check and see if I'm in it.
Okay. And it's a lot of fun. I don't know why I said that.